What's up, everybody? Hey, it's me, Tommy. I got a new product today, and you're gonna love it, probably. So yesterday, I got this new product in the mail. It's a doorstep. I'm gonna show you it right now. So one of the things I was looking for was a collapsible ladder to go into my van, but instead, I got this doorstep, which is a little better. So the way that it'd go in right now is you go through here, you put it in just like that. Then all I have to do is step down there, then step on that, maybe some of the seat, and then I could get right up. So you could put this right here, or you could put this in the side door, just like that. Now you have in the middle here, and even in the back here. You go like this, and now you have step up in the back. And the other thing about this, it does have a window breaker on it, just in case you needed to break a window. I'm not going to demonstrate that today. And the last thing I saw about this is when it's folded down like this, you could use it to stop your wheel from rolling as you're going backwards or putting it on a jack or something. I'm not confirming that, but it does have an anti-skid plate on it so you don't slip with your shoes, and it does have rubber behind it so it doesn't ting up your van or your car or your SUV. Now, this is an official SUV doorstop, but there are many brands out there. I have two of them linked down in the description of my video, and they range anywhere between $17 and $22 for the weight that I have with the same features that I have. So with that, I hope you can pick one up. You saw how simple it was to get to the top. And in closing, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the little review I had of one of these things. Remember, everything in my van is in the bottom of this video. They're all Amazon links. They're the same price you'd find on Amazon. It just gives me a little commission whenever someone buys it through my site. There's also a Patreon link and also a Venmo link if you'd like to support my project here. Remember, if you like my video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please click subscribe. And if you want to comment, I welcome all the comments and I read all the comments. Have a great day.